Good night, teacher Oscar Lopez. Dialogue Corporate Culture. My name is Aurora Orozco. I haven't finished the report yet. What have you done at the company today? Working in the planning stages for the next meeting. If the company does have good planning strategies. The results won't be the best. The directors of sales want to improve better the revenues of the company. Demonstrating that there is important customer for the organization. Next time you have a meeting, you need speaking about corporate culture. Corporate culture has helped to get a good result. We weren't like to miss the meeting of the corporate culture. If I am late for work, my boss gets angry. Good night. Thank you.